In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in DeepSeek AI. By the end, you'll have the interface displaying in the language you're most comfortable with, making menus, prompts, and messages easier to read and navigate. Start by opening DeepSeek AI. Give it a moment to load fully so all the menus are available. Once you're in, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon, usually shown as your avatar or initials. Click that profile icon to open your personal menu. From the menu that appears, click Settings. This opens the control center for your preferences. The Settings window is where DeepSeek AI keeps most of the options that shape your everyday experience. Inside Settings, open the General tab. The General tab groups the core, device-agnostic preferences, things like default behavior, appearance choices, and language. If it doesn't open by default, simply select it from the sidebar or tab list so you're viewing the standard options. In the General tab, find the Language option. It's typically labeled clearly and placed with other basic preferences. Take a moment to read the label and any short description next to it so you know exactly what this setting will affect. Next, click the Language dropdown. This will display the available languages supported by your version of DeepSeek AI. The list may include multiple regional variants, so look for the one that best matches your preference, including any locale you want for spelling and formatting conventions. Now select your preferred language. When you click it, you may notice the preview or parts of the interface preparing to switch. If you're moving to a language you're still learning, it can help to note what the menu names look like now so you can easily recognize them after the switch. After choosing the language, click Done or Confirm to save the change. In some interfaces, this might be labeled Save or Apply. The important thing is to use the button that finalizes your selection so the new language takes effect. Finally, close the Settings window. The main interface should now reflect your chosen language. If anything looks unexpected, simply return to Settings and repeat the same path to pick a different option. You usually don't need to restart. Changes apply right away. That's it. Your DeepSeek AI language is updated. If you found this helpful, follow the same steps anytime you need to switch languages for work, study, or travel. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using DeepSeek AI in the language that fits you best.